Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to create a table using select statement. We have here 4 practices. Create a table called emp underscore copy using select star from table emp underscore new. So we can create table emp underscore copy as select star from emp underscore new. Once finished, run the create statement. As we can see, table emp underscore copy created. So the table emp underscore copy is created based on the structure and the data of the emp underscore new. So if you check the data from the emp underscore new, we have here one record, select star from emp underscore copy. We have also here one record, and the column names, as we can see, is exactly the same as emp underscore new. The second practice, check the structure of the emp underscore copy table. Check the constraint, what you noticed. So if we check the structure of the emp underscore copy, describe, for example, emp underscore copy. Here we have 5 columns: emp underscore id, emp underscore name, email, salary, department id. Here we have only emp underscore name defined as not null. Using create table as select statement, the column data type definition and only not null constraints are passed from the emp underscore new table to the emp underscore copy. So if we refresh here the table list and you go to the emp underscore copy here and then open constraints, as we can see here, only not null constraints passed from the emp underscore new table to the emp underscore copy. The columns definition, the column name, and the column data type is exactly the same, but here the constraints, only not null constraints, passed from the emp underscore new to the emp underscore copy. But if you check emp underscore new here, as we can see, we have 5 constraints, but only the not null constraints is passed from the emp underscore new to the emp underscore copy. Let's go back to the practice. So we notice that only the not null constraints passed from the emp underscore new to the emp underscore copy. Create a table called dept underscore copy using select star from dept underscore new. Name the columns department ID, department name, location ID. So we can create a table, for example, dept underscore copy. During creating the table using select statement, we can define the column names: department underscore ID, department underscore name, and location underscore ID as select star from dept underscore new. Run the create statement, and as we can see, dept underscore copy is created. If you select from dept underscore copy, the table is empty because the table dept underscore new also is empty. The last practice, check the structure of dept underscore copy. So if you try to describe dept underscore copy and describe dept underscore new, so as we can see, dept underscore copy contains 3 columns: department ID, department name, and location ID, while dept underscore new contains 3 columns: the name of the columns dept underscore ID, dept underscore name, and loc underscore ID. So if you want to provide a name for the columns during create a table as select, we can provide the column names here. We can also go here to the tables and click refresh. This is our table dept underscore copy. If you click on the table and go to the constraints, only not null constraints is passed from dept underscore new to the dept underscore copy. If you go to the dept underscore new, as we can see, it contains 2 constraints, but only the not null constraint passed from dept underscore new to dept underscore copy. So in this practice, we learned how to create a table using select statement. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.